Did you watch last night? Those people's plight. There's some new war, there's some new fight. More refugees. I wish this was a movie. They trucked them out. They were packed like sheep when they dropped the gates. I heard mothers weep, a ragdoll fell out. My God, that was someone's baby. It's what I really see are people like you and me, and all our silent witnesses who can't believe eyes can still see what is happening to children just like ours. We are the silent witnesses, though we send what help we can. We are witnessing our failure to love and understand. From the safety of my living room, I watch their houses burn. It's an endless cycle of hatred in the name of some religion. And the boy at play, so innocent and young, was the victim of a coward's gun. He has lost his sight. Of what crime was he guilty? What I really see are people like you and me, and all our silent witnesses with our loved ones safe and well, living here in paradise, watching someone else's hell. We are the silent witnesses, though we send what help we can. We are witnessing our failure to love and understand. Oh, I admit I am a simple man. There are things about this world I will never understand. I sit and watch with horror at the madness of this race, always witnessing that history repeating in my face. Two young lovers try to escape some town. You'll be safe, they were told, before they shot them down. They died in an embrace. Is this what we have come to?